Boiling eggs is easy, but getting the perfect texture every single time is not. That is why today I'm sharing my method of boiling eggs that leads to consistent results. To make this easy to follow, I label each egg with the number of minutes I'm going to cook it. For the most consistent results, always insert room temperature eggs in boiling water. The moment the eggs hit the water, start a timer. Remove each egg at the exact minute and transfer it straight into an ice water. The ice bath will stop the cooking process and make the eggs so much easier to peel. Let them cool very well before you try to peel them. When the eggs are cooled off, tap them gently to crack the shell. Always start peeling them from the base or look for the small air pocket. This method will release the membrane from the egg easily. Soft-boiled eggs are harder to peel compared to hard-boiled ones, although this 6-minute one peels really great. Here's how I peeled the 8-minute egg. It was much easier than the 6-minute one. Now let's take a look inside. At 6 minutes, the yolk is completely runny and some of the egg white is not set either. If you like your eggs super runny and served in a cup, 6 minutes is your time. At 7 and 8 minutes, the yolk is still soft and jammy, but the white is set. At 9 and 10 minutes, the yolk becomes creamy and more set. These are my favorite eggs. At 11 and 12 minutes, the eggs are fully cooked but still tender inside. At 13 and 14 minutes, the yolk becomes firm and starts to dry out. I don't like it at 14. Keep in mind that the results might be slightly different depending on the egg size. For more detailed tips and full guide, check out my blog post. The link is in the description. Thank you for watching.